Patience in trading. Waiting for the right opportunities to trade. Very important. Patience is one of the hardest skills to learn in trading because you're going to want to get emotional. You want to get in a trade now. You want to get out of your trade now. You want more profits now. You want to get out of drawdown now. But got to be okay with what it is. It is what it is. You could either learn from what went wrong. You can prepare for what's about to go right, but you cannot rush it. Patience is a crucial trait for traders as it helps them wait for the right opportunities to enter and exit trades. Rushing into trades without proper analysis can lead to losses and emotional stress. Oh, yes, it does. Traders should develop patience by understanding the market cycles and waiting for the right time to take action. Waiting for confirmation signals from technical and fundamental analysis can increase the chances of success. Patience is also important during losing streaks, as traders should avoid revenge trading, very important, and take time to reevaluate their strategy. Again, we're bringing this back out. This is why you have the journal. You document what's happening, your reflection, how you feel, all that stuff in the book. You could reference it, all the days you've traded, the weeks, the months, all that data is here for the quarter. And you're able to say, hey, I know I'm losing right now, but I'm losing because I didn't do this. Tomorrow or next week, we're going to play our rules. And I know my system is profitable and the chances of us getting out of this is very high. There's no need to jump back in the market now. And I'll tell you this from personal experience. My days of my biggest losses are when I came off a few wins and I lost. And instead of being okay with that loss and just be like, hey, I'm still up for the week, I said, no, let's get rid of this loss. And then you lose. Then you're like, okay, this time I'm going to be right. And you get back in. And from experience, one time I actually was break even again. On the day I could have flushed out my loss. I got greedy and a giant candle smacked me out of my trade. And now I had 3 losses in a row. I didn't stick to my rules. I got emotional. I revenge traded. And guess what? I am way worse off now than if I were just to listen to my rules, accept that loss, take a second trade at half risk. And that's that. Right? If I had a double loss, it would have been way less of a loss. And I would not have gone in that third trade. So do not revenge trade. Again, this section is going to sound a lot easier said than done. Like you make it seem so easy. This section was the videos were so short. Well, there's not much to say about it. What's to say about it is that it's super hard, and even though it sounds easy, it's something you're going to be battling your whole trading career. You must journal and have data that can back up and fight your emotions. If you're getting emotional, you can look at it. When I did this, it was a bad week. I'm not going to do that again. It's not going to be different today. So just have patience. Let the market be as it is. And if you have wins, big wins, great. Celebrate them. If you have losses, let's minimize them and celebrate the fact that you minimized your loss and did not revenge trade or get emotional and add more or bigger stop losses. You got to celebrate that. Even though it was a loss, you paid your stop loss to make sure you didn't lose a lot. Celebrate that. Find the wins, figure out what works, and keep pushing forwards and don't rush anything. You cannot rush the trading journey.